Now let's start with the first part, that is casting. Here you can find the detailed dimensions of the casting. The base length is 170. Here is the slot cut and the two holes here in the upper part and a hole for the lock here in this cylindrical face. Now let's start. You can save this and later use it to create your own casting. Now choose a front plane here. Take a line command, draw a line here, and let's select a midpoint and the origin point to make coincidence relation. Now take a smart dimension and dimension this line is a 170 mm. Click OK. Go to feature. No. Go to sketch. Again take a line command and draw a shape like this. Exit the sketch. Now smart dimension. This gap will be 3. Similarly, this gap also 3. And height is 11. 10, 11 you can provide your own. Go to feature and extrude it from mid plane. Provide the extrude length up to 37. Click OK. Now base is created. Go to the upper face. Now sketch a circle here. Dimension it. Let's say 86. Okay, now we are going to extrude up to this part only, so we have to remove this part of the circle. For this, select this face, convert in trees. Now the lines, you can find the lines. Take a trim command and remove the unnecessary lines. This one and this one. Now you will find the closed sketch. Go to feature and extrude it. Extrude from blind. Provide 43 as the extrude height. Okay. This shape is this is taking the shape. Now go to this face. Thermal. Now take a line command from here and draw a shape like this. Draw a center line from here. Make sure it's vertical. Again take a line command and draw an arc here. Now select this center point and this line to provide the coincidence relation. Again select this point and this point and make sure it's a horizontal. Now mirror entities to mirror this line and this line, mirror about the central line. Click OK. Now provide the dimensions. This point to this point, let's provide the 44. Radius will be 19. This height is 13 mm. Okay. Drag down and provide this height 3 mm only. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now connect these 2 points to make a closed sketch. Go to feature and extrude cut. through all, click OK. Now go to this face and sketch a circle here. Drag down from origin, dimension this, and dimension this hole. It's a diameter 10. Now provide the distance from origin. This one. Okay. Draw a center line here. Make sure it's horizontal. Now copy the mirror the entities. Entities to mirror is circle. Clear it. Entities to mirror this one. Mirror about center line. Click OK. Now go to feature and extrude cut through all. Click OK. Now go to this face and normal. Now this time take a center point straight slot. Drag from the origin and create a slot here. Now dimension this slot. Distance between these 2 points will be 10. Distance will be 10. And the distance from center point to this point will be 67. 67. And distance from this point to this point is only 16. Click OK. Again take a center line and draw a line here. Make sure it's horizontal. Now mirror the entities. Entities to mirror is this to sketch. Clear it. Entities to mirror this one. Mirror about center line. Click OK. Now go to feature to extrude cut through all. Click OK. Now go to bottom face and sketch a center point rectangle. Find the center point of the circle. Let's dimension it as a 20 mm. This one also 20. Okay. Again draw a center line here. Now mirror the entities. Clear it. Select the whole sketch. Mirror about center point. Okay. Go to feature to extrude cut. This time extrude cut up to 8 mm only. Click OK. Now again go to this face and normal. Now this one is finished. Go to front plane and normal. Now we are going to cut this small cut here in this shape. For this go to front plane and take a line command and start from this point. Draw a shape, exit. Let's dimension it from this point to this point 10 mm. The height is only 2 mm. Distance from this point to this point 4 mm. 4 mm. Let's say this point to this point 3. Again this point to this point also 3. Cancel it. This one is 4. Okay, let's provide the dimension. It's over defined here, so we'll exit from the dimension, delete the dimension. Now this one is 71, so let's dimension this as 67. Click OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to feature and extrude cut. Extrude cut up to the 22 mm and choose the plane as a mid plane. Click OK. Now we have to mirror this to the other part, so select extrude cut. Is saying that you have to save this. Go to the mirror the feature. Mirror about the plane means right plane. Click OK. Now the casting is almost ready. Now we have to create a hole here. For this, go to this plane and sketch a circle here. Draw a circle. Provide the small dimension. This one is diameter 6. Go to feature and select extrude cut. Provide the 45 blind. You can see the preview here. Click OK. This is the hole for the pin. Now this casting is ready. You save it in a file. Save it. Create a file here. Let's say SolidWorks. Plummer block. The part name is casting. Now you can provide the appearance here. This one looks better. Click OK. Go to file and save. This is the first part, that is casting. Now we will create a second part. Here one thing we forget to add, go to fillet and select these two edges, provide the fillet radius 6, click OK. Now save it.